हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू योर चैनल अभ्यास अड्डा। आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज शेड्यूल. So what is schedule? Schedule is the additional information which is not written in our articles. So it is in a form of tabular, जो हमारे संविधान में विस्तृत ढंग से नहीं बताया गया है, उसको हम शेड्यूल में पढ़ते हैं. So let's start our first question. Our first question is, how many parts, articles and schedules was there in the original Indian Constitution? Option A 22 part, 395 article and 8 schedules. Option B 24 parts, 450 articles and 12 schedules. Option C 22 parts, 390 articles and 8 schedules. Option D 24 parts, 425 articles and 12 schedules. So our answer is A 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. Originally 8 schedule था, लेकिन अब 12 शेड्यूल हो गया है. Originally there were 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules in the Constitution of India. A number of articles were added and removed later through amendments. At present there are around 470 articles, but these are added in the form of subparts such as A, B, C, etc. of the original articles 395. There are 12 schedules at present. Our second question is, consider the following statement. The Constitution of India has 20 parts. There are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. 3rd, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th schedule were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Only option 3, this one. 9, 10th, 11th and 12th schedule were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Act. पहले 8 थे, अब 12 शेड्यूल हो गए हैं. So the Constitution of India has 22 parts, hence statement 1 is incorrect. There are 395 articles in the Constitution of India, hence statement 2 is also incorrect. 9, 10th, 11th and 12th schedule were added to the Constitution of India by Constitutional Amendment Acts, hence statement 3 is correct. Okay. Our third question is, which part of our constitution envisages a 3-tier system of panchayat? Option A part 9, option B part 10, option C part 11 या option D part 12. Our answer is option A. In 1992, the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment were passed by the parliament. 73rd amendment is about rural local government known as Panchayati Raj institution. 74th amendment is related to urban local government Nagar Palika. 73rd amendment introduces 3-tier panchayat system in part 9 of the constitution. At the base is Gram Panchayat covering a village or group of villages. The intermediary level is the Mandal or Taluka Panchayat. The intermediary level body need not to be constituted in smaller states having a population less than 20 lakhs. At the apex is the Jila Parishad covering the entire rural area of the district. Question number 4. Which of the following are mentioned in the 3rd schedule of the Indian Constitution? Form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Form of oath of office for the President of India. Form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1, 2, 3 होगा, B 2, 3, 4 होगा, C 1, 2, 4 होगा या D 1, 2, 3, 4 होगा. सो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसका आंसर होगा C. पहला होगा, फिर दूसरा होगा एंड फोर्थ होगा और थर्ड नहीं होगा, क्योंकि फॉर्म ऑफ ओथ ऑफ ऑफिस फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ये बताया गया है आर्टिकल 60 में. The 3rd schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with form of oath of affirmation to be made by the following. A minister for the union, दूसरा candidate for election to parliament, member of parliament, judges of the Supreme Court and the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. State minister, candidate for election to the legislature of a state, a member of the legislature of a state और द जजेस ऑफ अ हाई कोर्ट. इन सबके ओथ का बताया गया है, लेकिन आर्टिकल 60 में प्रेसिडेंट के ओथ का बताया गया है. So our correct option is C. Our fifth question is which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the name of state and specify their territories? So ए फर्स्ट में होगा कि सेकंड में होगा कि थर्ड में होगा कि फोर्थ में होगा? इसका आंसर होगा ए. फर्स्ट शेड्यूल में दिस लिस्ट द स्टेट्स एंड टेरिटरीज ऑफ इंडिया. सेकंड में है सैलरीज एंड एमोलमेंट्स. थर्ड में है ओथ्स एंड अफर्मेशन. और फोर्थ में है राज्यसभा के सीट का एलोकेशन. Our sixth question is under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Option A third schedule, option B fifth schedule, option C ninth schedule या option D 12th schedule? इसका आंसर होगा fifth schedule, option B. Supreme Court in its landmark judgment in the case Samantha versus State of Andhra Pradesh and other declared that the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining is unconstitutional, void and inoperative. The fifth schedule of Indian Constitution has provisions related to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. According to this schedule, tribal land cannot be transferred to a private party. Our seventh question, which of the language is not included in the eighth schedule of the Constitution? ए इंग्लिश, बी हिंदी, सी संस्कृत या डी उर्दू? सो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ए इंग्लिश. द लैंग्वेज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर इंक्लूडेड इन 8th शेड्यूल. Initially it had 14 languages but presently there are 22 languages. Of this 22 languages, English is not one of them. Our 8th question is Kohilo case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? A 7th, B 8th, C 9th या D 10th? Our answer is C 9th. Kohilo case is a landmark case which upheld the authority of the judiciary to review laws including the ones under the 9th schedule against violation of basic structure of the Constitution. It is also known as 9th schedule case. Our 9th question, to give constitutional protection state land forms to give constitutional protection state land reforms laws have been included in the option A 7th schedule, option B 9th schedule, option C 8th schedule या option D 10th schedule? So इसका आंसर होगा 9th schedule. The laws related to land reform and zamindari abolition have been given constitutional protection by Schedule 9 of the Constitution, which was inserted by the First Amendment in June 1951. Our 10th question, under the Constitution of India, economic planning is a subject of A in the state list, B in the union list, C in the concurrent list या D non specified in any list? इसका आंसर होगा C. Entry number 20 of the concurrent list is related to economic and social planning. It is to be noted that the Planning Commission of India was established by the Government of India under this entry. So 3 तरह की लिस्ट है. पहला स्टेट लिस्ट, दूसरा यूनियन लिस्ट, तीसरा कंकरेंट लिस्ट. तो स्टेट लिस्ट में स्टेट अपने लॉज बनाएगा, यूनियन में यूनियन लॉज बनाएगा, लेकिन कंकरेंट में स्टेट और यूनियन दोनों लॉज बना सकते हैं. 11th question, prevention of cruelty to animal is listed in which list of the Indian Constitution? A union list, B state list, C concurrent list या D preamble या E none of the above या more than of the above? Our answer is C. Prevention of cruelty to animal, entry 17 is listed in the concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. So concurrent list मतलब state भी law बना सकता है और union भी law बना सकता है. Our 12th question, which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? A police, B criminal matters, C radio and television या D foreign affairs? So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? B criminal matters. Criminal laws including all matters in the Indian Penal Code are subject of concurrent list, while police is the subject of state list. Foreign affairs, radio and television are the subject of union list. Our 13th question is which list and entry of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution is related to election of the legislature of the state? Option A list first, entry 72, option B list second, entry 27, option C list second, entry 37 या option D list third, entry 32? So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Option A and option C. The seventh schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the division of powers between the union government and state governments. List first entry 72 deals with the election to parliament, to the legislature of the state and to the offices of president and vice president. The election commission. List second entry 37 deals with election to the legislature of the state subject to the provisions of any law made by parliament. Hence both options A and C are correct. Question number 14. Which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? A. Population control and family planning. B. Public health and sanitation. C. Per person tax. या D. Treasure travel. So इसका आंसर होगा A. Population control and family planning is the subject of concurrent list. Added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976, and police health and sanitation, treasure trove and per person tax are state list subjects. Question number 15. Which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provision regarding anti-defection law? Option A second schedule, option B fifth schedule, option C 8th schedule या option D 10th schedule. So इसका आंसर होगा option D. The 10th schedule, which contains anti-defection law, was added by 52nd Amendment Act 1985 in the Indian Constitution. It contains provision regarding anti-defection law and lays down the process by which legislature may be disqualified on the ground of defection. 16 question. Marriage, divorce and adoption are an entry in the 7th schedule of the Constitution under the following: A. List union list, B. List second state list, C. List third concurrent list या D. none of these three list. So इसका आंसर होगा option C. Marriage, divorce and adoption are the subject of list third, that is concurrent list, as entry number 5 related to 7th schedule. 17 question. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provision to the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? Option A third, option B fifth, option C 7th या option D 9th. So इसका आंसर होगा option 5th. Schedule 5th of the Constitution provides for administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes except in the state of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. 4 स्टेट है, असम, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय एंड मिजोरम. इसमें मणिपुर नहीं है. द प्रोविजन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ट्राइबल एरियाज इन दीज स्टेट्स इज प्रोवाइडेड इन द 6th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. असम, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय एंड मिजोरम. ऐसा ATM जिसमें मनी नहीं है तो यहाँ पे मेघालय होगा, ना कि मणिपुर. 18 question. The provision of the 5th and 6th schedule in the Constitution of India are made to: A. Protect the interest of scheduled tribes, B. Determine the boundaries between states, C. Determine the powers, authority and responsible of panchayats, D. Protect the interest of all the border states. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 5th और 6th शेड्यूल में क्या है? इसका आंसर होगा A. Protect the interest of scheduled tribes. Special provision are laid down by the 5th and 6th schedules in the Constitution of India to protect the interest of scheduled tribes. 19 question. Special provision regarding financial bill is given under Article 117, Article 119 या Article 121 या Article 123. इसका आंसर होगा आर्टिकल 117. स्पेशल प्रोविजन इन रिगार्ड्स टू फाइनेंशियल बिल इज प्रोवाइडेड इन आर्टिकल 117. इट्स 3 clauses given various condition for financial bill. Article 119 gives provision for the regulation of law, while Article 121 imposes a restriction on the discussion in the Parliament with respect to the conduct of any judge of the Supreme Court or High Court in the discharge of his duties. और आर्टिकल 123 में क्या है? प्रेसिडेंट का ऑर्डिनेंस पावर. Our last question is, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for all India services? Article 310, आर्टिकल 311, आर्टिकल 312 या आर्टिकल 313? इसका आंसर होगा आर्टिकल 312। आर्टिकल 312 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइडेड for all India services if the Council of State had declared by resolution supported by not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting that it is necessary or expedient in the national interest for the creation of one or more all India services, Parliament may by law provide for one or more all India services। अगर आप सभी को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए। हमारा नेक्स्ट पार्ट बहुत जल्दी आएगा। धन्यवाद बने रहने के लिए।